Yo, what's good? It's your boy Kurt, and today, man, we have another reaction, no? So, ngayong araw, dapat hindi naman talaga to yung shoot natin ngayon. Dapat we are going to start our season 2 of Show Break, no? But, wait. Dapat shoot natin yung season 2 ng Show Break, no? That ngayon tayo mag-start, but I got curious about this video. No, this SB19 got hypnotized. No, and they uploaded this 4 years ago, based sa hashtag SB19 hashtag SB19 hashtag SB19 unreleased special. No, so I got so curious. No, so we're going to react to this first. Again, SB19 got hypnotized. Without no further ado, man, let's get it. During the production of this video, hypnosis is conducted with the guidance of an expert mentalist. Prior to the session, each member agreed to undergo this activity. No one was harmed while filming, and this video is for entertainment purposes only. Okay.
So, nagpe-prepare kami para magsimula ng shoot namin. At kasama namin ulit si Mr. Nomer.
As promised, I'm back.
Ayan.
Nomer Lasala. Parang napanood ko sa ibang mga video, Philippines leading mentalist. Okay. Tapos, we have this like parang medyo dark na filter ng video, no? I feel like that ginawa natin to nung November. But yeah.
Magsisimula na, kaya lang biglang nag-black out.
Siguro destined talaga to para maging creepy.
Isang paring nagkamali pa yung isa paring dapat isa paring misteryo kung bakit nag-blackout bago kami magsimula mag-shoot. Ooh.
And spooky yung content natin.
Pero
Mysterious.
pag tinignan niyo yung mga kapitbahay, wala rin silang ilaw. Sayang hindi pa rolling nung nag-brown out.
Mas maganda kung
Nakita yung mga reaction natin. Magsisimula pa tayo ng madilim? Or
Shoot naman ni Ken tsaka ni Stel.
So okay po, ngayon na wala na tayong ilaw, itutuloy na namin, talagang i-shoot na namin siya ngayon, itutuloy na namin. Mas magandang timing, bahala na.
Bahala kung ano mang gagawin sa atin ni Sir Nomer ngayon. Ano po bang ginagaling pa para sa amin?
Well, I wanted sana na the medyo light lang. But since
Okay.
brown out,
Medyo light lang. Since nag-brown out, we're going hard. I'm going to hypnotize you to do world domination. Let's go.
I want to talk about hypnotism.
Okay.
Let's do some hypnosis instead.
Yes, I want this.
Ang hypnosis kasi it works when one
Hypnosis ang kalagayan ng pagkakaroon ng artipisyal na pagtulog o katayuan na parang natulog kung saan nagiging sunod-sunuran ng isang taong nasa ilalim ng hipnotismo.
when a person has a good imagination. So in a moment, let's try muna yung mga warm up, you know, and
Parang mahihirapan pala si Pablo dito.
as we move along,
I mean, hindi pala mahihirapan. Parang madadalian pala. Baliktad, no? Kasi, like, we all know. I mean, also, Justin, no?
doon tayo sa mga mas pahirap na facets ng hypnosis.
Kinikilabutan agad.
Ganito, I'd like you to sit down, sobrang relax lang.
Yung ginawa-relax ko.
Yep.
Kilabitan.
And look here. And I'm gonna count down from 3 to 0. When I get to 0, you will close your eyes. 3, 2, 1, 0. Just close your eyes. Now, this time, I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. Each second should make you more and more relaxed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6.
Should we do this as well? Effective ba to kung gagawin din natin to? Let's go ahead.
will close your eyes.
I feel like hindi. Kasi nakatingin siya sa kamay. Tayo, makita natin is yung backhand. So, I feel like sasali sana ako eh.
3, 2, 1, 0. Just close your eyes. Now, this time, I'm gonna count down from 10 to 0. Each second should make you more and more relaxed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. Take a deep breath in. And out. Release all the tensions. 2, 1, 0. Drift away and just sleep. And sleep. And relax. Relax. All tension should go.
By the way, no, my head, man, kung ano naisip ko, no. Buti na lang kasi 'di ba, mentalist siya. And ngayon, in-hypnotize siya yung SB19. But buti na lang, sobrang parang swabe yung boses niya. Just imagine if you're a hypnotist, no, tapos yung boses mo parang naipit na ipis, no, or nag-stutter ka palagi, no. Just close your eyes, no. Hindi siguro nakapag-relax, so tawa siguro sila ng tawa. Wala, just imagine, no. Ang ganda yung boses.
Starting from your feet. Pataas. Relax. Lower your shoulders, just relax. Relax.
Relax na ang boys.
I want you to hold out your hands, arms forward. Both hands. Both hands. Now imagine this hand, yung tinatch.
Just give me a second. Kasi I feel like sobrang ako nagmamantika. Ayan. Okay na yan. Sa ilaw lang pala. Akala ko sobrang nagmamantika na talaga ako.
Go.
Ang ginagawa ni Sir, no? Nagawa niya. Tinatalian niya yung kamay.
Merong naka-tali na balloon. And this hand, you are holding a book.
So, balloon
Now imagine, visualize the balloon up in the air.
on the left.
The balloon is getting bigger and bigger. And the book is getting heavier and heavier. And as you notice, mas bumibigat yung kanang kamay mo. And yung isa, it's floating up in the air.
Mababa na yung kamay ni Estel.
Bigat yung kanang kamay mo. And yung isa, it's floating up in the air.
At asa ng kamay niya, no?
You're doing good. Now imagine, dinagdagan ko yung balloon. Naging balloons na siya, dalawa na siya. And this hand is getting lighter and lighter. Lighter and lighter, lighter and lighter, lighter and lighter. And then the book, lagyan natin ng isa pa. Heavier and heavier. Heavier and heavier. Heavier, heavier, heavier. Heavier and heavier. Now yung isang kamay, mas gumagaang, yung isa mas bumibig.
I told you, man. I fucking told you, no? I didn't expect na si... I thought it's going to be Justin and Pablo, but I guess Stel has, like, wild imagination as well, no? But as you can see, di ba napanggit ko, no? Si Pablo, probably, kasi di ba, alam naman natin na making, like, again, Justin is good on conceptualizing like things, no? But songwriting, you have to imagine as well, no? Kailangan mong i-imagine kasi yung gusto mong isulat eh. 'Di ba? Di naman pwedeng words lang, 'di ba? Kailangan mo munang paano ba sabihin to? I-visualize sa utak mo kung ano yung gusto mong isulat. Like kung gustong anong klase ng ng metaphor. Kunyari, for example, like flower, ano yung pwedeng kabaliktaran or, you know, contrast meaning, or pwedeng yung metaphor na tungkol sa flower. Usually you have to imagine like a flower, right? And so I told you, Pablo is the one na sobrang madalian sa or madaling ma-hypnotize, no, sa ganitong pagkakataon.
Bigat. Okay. Two of you is doing good. Use
Baka may umiiyak na baby.
your imagination. It's getting heavier and heavier. Heavier and heavier. Heavier and heavier. Lighter and lighter yung isang kamay. Keep on relax. Ikaw na. Ikaw muna. Relax. Just relax. Close your eyes. If I tap you, you can relax. 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 If I tap you, you can relax. Relax.
Oh my God. He's on the zone, man.
Drift away. Sleep. Relax. Relax. Relax.
Makikita mo naman di ba? Kahit si Justin and si Ken, yung di masyadong yung nakaano, pero makikita mo na medyo nakababa na yung isa tapos nakaangat na yung isa, no? So naapektuhan pa rin sila, pero I guess hindi kasing sobra nung kay Pablo, dahil nga again sa imagination ni Pablo, siguro sobrang vivid yung imagination niya sa balloons and sa books, no? Kaya sobrang nararamdaman niya. Kasi I always think na kasi gano'n ako sa nagsusulat no? Minsan ang hirap isulat ng bagay na hindi mo masyadong na-imagine. Yun yung tinatawag natin na pilit, no? Minsan may gusto kang concept na isulat, like I always wanna do like more like deeper, like gun bars, you know, na pwede mo siyang, alam mo yun, yung tipong konsepto na parang sobrang astig nung metaphor mo pero medyo light yung double meaning niya. You know what I mean? So you're going, I want to, kasi usually pag mga gun bars, laging wanna shot you in the face, like, you know, patamaan ka ng bakal ko, yung mga ganun, di ba? Sobrang bibigat palagi. Pag gun bars yung ginamit mo, alam mo medyo madahas yung kantang sinusulat mo, pero I wanna make a gun bar na parang, for example, let's say, put it in a like a love song, or like a broken like a broken or love ano mo tawag dito? A broken hearted type of song, no? Na pang-couple, pero like you're going to use a gun bar, pero I'm having a hard time like isulat siya because di ko siya alam kung paano ididikit, di ko ma-imagine, no? So parang alam ko yung may idea ako, pero so ang nangyayari medyo blurry sa imagination ko. You can still see it, you know what you wanna do, but you cannot like you cannot write or something because sobrang blurry niya. So, you know, I always think na may mga bagay tayo na minsan na-imagine natin ng sobrang linaw, and meron tayong mga bagay na na-imagine natin ng hindi masyadong or di ganong kalinawan. Alam natin kung ano siya, pero hindi natin siya ma-imagine ng sobrang linaw. So, I assume ganun yung nangyayari nung haba ng sinasabi ko dito. No? Akala mo mentalist ganun yung nangyayari sa kanila, like kala Justin and I mean, I feel like they know what they wanna imagine, like the balloons and the books, pero hindi nila ma-imagine yung bigat, di ba? Hindi nila ma-imagine yung gaan, kung gaano ba kagaan or kung gaano ba kabigat, pero they know what they wanna imagine. Like they know that there's a book, like there's multiple books there na medyo mabigat, but di nila alam kung paano siya imagine ng sobrang bigat, or yung like yung balloon, di nila ma-imagine kung gaano siya sobrang kagaan, no? But they still imagine it. So yun yung na-imagine ko. Si Pablo kasi sobrang lalim ng imagination niya, pati yung bigat mismo na ano niya.
If I tap
Mentalist.
you, follow my instructions. If I tap you, say your name.
Ken.
Ken, I want you to imagine you are back in time. You're back in your elementary days. And in front of you is a blackboard. Nasa loob ko ng classroom. Imagine that. And written on the blackboard are the numbers from 1 to 10. Nod your head yes, tango ka lang kung nakikita mo yung mga numbers. Now imagine yourself na may hawak na
Let me try to imagine myself on a classroom with a nasa harap ng blackboard, tapos may nakalagay ng 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, no? I'm sorry, I don't know if this is weird, pero gusto ko lang i-try. No, so... Okay.
eraser.
Alright, ginawa nyo ba? Tinry nyo ba? May manisip lang ako, parang sobrang ano niya, no? Parang yung imagination mo nakadepende sa nung nag-aaral ka kung saan. Kasi parang I feel like pag ganyan ko yung mata ko, sina-imagine ko nasa classroom ako, nakikita ko yung blackboard, no? I feel like lagi ako nasa last row. Diba, last row ka nakaupo. Kasi feel like, doon ako lagi nakaupo eh. Sa tuwing sa nag-aaral ako. Minsan kahit nilalagay ako like pangalan, di ba? Pangalan, last initial ko is D. Di ba? Usually lalagay ka kung saan yung pinakahuling mo. Last initial mo, di ba? Kung nangyari, ang apelyido mo is Aragon, Agoncillo, di ba? Lagi ka nasa unahan. Kasi kayo. So yung D, hindi naman siya ganong kalayuan. Usually, pwede mo siyang ilagay sa like second row. Pero usually kasi yung seating arrangement sa umpisa lang naman yan eh. Tagal ng panahon kung saan na kayo uupo eh. No? So lagi ako napupunta sa likod kasi doon ko lagi gusto umupo.
And you are erasing the number pagkatapos ng number 3. O yung number bago mag 5. Erase that completely.
It's number 4.
Erase that completely. What we are actually doing is we are erasing that number in your mind. In a moment, I'm gonna ask you to count from 1 to 10. You will not be able to say that number. In fact, you will just skip that number because it doesn't exist. So there's a space between 3 and 5. You will just skip that number. Again, very slowly, count from 1 to 10.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3,
Oh shit.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Hold out your hands. And we will count your fingers one by one.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6,
Oh shit, man.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11.
See what happened? Hindi niya na parang nahuminto siya, 'di ba, nung tinuturo na. Kasi parang hindi niya ma-comprehend bakit 11, 'di ba? Usually 5 fingers, 10 fingers lang meron tayo in total sa kamay, 'di ba? So hindi siya makasagot agad kung bakit 11. Pero sinagot pa rin niya like 11. Pero nung unang tinuturo siya like 2-3 times na tinap yung kamay niya, hindi niya masabi na 11 kasi most probably hindi niya ma-comprehend bakit. Kasi hindi wala nga yung 4.
You have 11 fingers, Ken.
What the hell?
Now, I'm gonna come back. This time, imagine mo na pumasok ako sa classroom and I handed you a chalk. And we are writing a number after ng 3 and then the number before ng 5. It's actually the number 4. It consists of 3 lines. It's actually the number 4. We will count your fingers. Your memory is back.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Paano kaya kung hindi binalik na hindi na alam ni kanyang number 4?
8, 9, 10.
Relax.
Let's go.
Open your eyes. If I tap you, say your name.
Sergio.
Open your eyes. Look at me. And just sleep.
Come on. Pablo is actually in the zone, no? In the zone. No? Sobrang ano niya, no? Sobrang... I mean, kung magiging Avenger na superhero, si Pablo. I mean, talon-talo siguro siya kay Wanda, no? Pag ginamitan siya ng mga mind shit, no? Kasi sobrang lawak ng imagination niya, sobrang madadala siya. Imagine, I don't know. Dami ko na iniisip. Imagine if si Pablo, for example, di siya SB19 member and for example, nagtatry siya ng mga like illegal substances like let's say weed or like LSD. Just imagine kung ano yung mga nai-imagine niya, no? Kasi usually, sobrang mag-zoom yung utak mo nun eh. So, nakakatakot siguro yun. I'm sorry.
In a moment, I'm gonna ask your name. And as you try hard to say your name, you will not be able to say your name. It's as if nasa dulo lang siya ng dila mo, you will not be able to say your name.
Yung ganong feeling, ayun yung feeling na nakakaasar. Yung hindi ka makatulog, yung parang alam mo yung tawag doon. Pero hindi mo masabi. Pero alam mo, sa isip mo alam mo. Alam mo yun yung ganong feeling, nasa dulo ng dila, that's the expression. Pero yung ganong feeling, nakakaasar yung ganon.
You've actually erased that name in your memory. As you try hard to say that name, you will not be able to say your name. Open your eyes. Look at me. How are you? Relax. Okay naman. What is your name?
Hindi ko po lang. Ang bigat po ng pakiramdam ko.
What is your name?
Paano?
This time.
So Paolo yung alam niya, hindi yung Sejun, no? God damn. Parang tuloy siya, no? Again, sabi nga nung hypnotist, nasa dulo siya ng dila mo, pero hindi mo siya masabi. So, ibig sabihin, alam pa rin niya, hindi lang niya masabi. Like, alam niyo yung palabas na na Get Out, yun, movie ni Jordan Peele, na yung sa mga black and whites, di ba? Yung magsisync ka sa void, andun ka pa rin, di ba? Andun ka pa rin sa utak na yun. Pero hindi mo malabas, no? Pero andun ka pa rin, nasa siya, na parang sa subconscious, basta gano'n, yung talagang nasa imagination ko.
Look here.
So yung information na yun, nasa parang sa
I'm
void.
gonna implant a name in your head.
Ay, may kuryente.
This time, I'm gonna implant a name in your head.
What's the name? Jojo. Let's go, Jojo.
May name na pumasok sa isip mo? What is your name?
Jojo.
Go shit, man.
That has been your name since day one.
Oh shit.
Your name is Jojo. Just sleep right now.
Let's go, Jojo.
Sino kaya? Ako si Jojo!
And I'm gonna bring back your memory because I don't want you to wake up with that Jojo as your name. It's weird, isn't it? That yung name mo is back. What is your name? That's good.
Imagine no, kung hindi tinanggal yung Jojo. I mean, maybe we have Jojo now, no? As the leader, SB19, Jojo!
And this time, I'm gonna send numbers in your head, dito sa tatlo. Random numbers. Numbers in your head right now. Name any 3 numbers. 4 and 5 and
6.
I'll hit multiply. Name 2 numbers. 9
9?
and 7.
9, 7.
Name 2 numbers.
7.
7, 5.
Josh, another number. 2 numbers. 2 and 2. 2.
Another 2.
I'll hit equals. This
We
is the
have
total.
3, 1, 5, 8,
Open your
6.
eyes, everybody. Now this is the total.
3, 1,
But
5, 8,
before
6.
What's
3,
the
1,
total?
5, 8, 6.
3, 1, 5, 8, 6.
Before that, I started with that. Is it inside of the case?
Ay, shit.
Yes.
I don't wanna touch it. Ikaw kumuha. Sige, tanggalin mo.
May prediction na siya kung ano magiging ano.
Open. 31586.
Oh, shit! Shit! Ayun ang mahirap doon, no? Kung paano niya ginawa yun, nagkatinginan sila. Matay.
Now,
Jojo. Tinawag na Jojo. Tinawag mo na Jojo.
you have 11 fingers.
Di mo alam?
Alam mo yun.
Alam yung 11 fingers?
11 fingers ako nung nandun.
Ikaw, anong pangalan mo? Tapos, nasa mo? Ayun, sana hindi
Shit,
ko alam
man.
kung sabi nag-enjoy or naging interested kayo dun sa content na to. Kasi it's a
Mhm.
really very interesting content kahit akong ano. Wala akong maano. Kasi nagugulat din ako sa mga nangyayari.
Experience,
so, ayun po,
man.
guys. Salamat po.
Let's go. Alright, well again, that's SB19 got hypnotized. No, I don't know if, kasi again, we have like setup, sabi natin setup for entertainment purpose or totoo, no? But I assume na totoo siya because again, may kita mo yung hangin and yung yung feeling ng buong room na nag-iba nung umpisa pa lang yung video tapos yung patapos na, no? And especially Pablo, again, I feel like sobrang na-hypnotize siya, no? Sobrang na-sink siya to the void, no? Parang sa Get Out, no? But yeah, that's crazy yung sa number, no? Yun yung pinaka doon. And also the number, like yung 11 and number 4 and shit. Sabi, ha? Walang kaalam-alam sa nangyari. But yeah, that's a great video. I feel like sana pinanood natin siya ng ng November or October 31st. But I got so curious. So pasensya na, sue me. But yeah, that's a wrap for today, man. Sana gustuhan nyo. Leave a like and subscribe kung gusto mo mag-sabitin yung artist, singer, rapper, song, man. Just comment down below. Pagkira tayo dyan. And that's it for me today. See you on my next vid. Stay awesome. Peace.